Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get Microsoft Excel on your Mac completely for free. Whether you just need to edit a spreadsheet or share a file with someone, this method works perfectly. Let's get started. First, open up any web browser on your Mac. I'm using Safari, but Chrome or Firefox works just as well. Now go to Google and type in Microsoft 365. Click the official link to sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. You can create one for free in just a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll see apps like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel right on the homepage. Click on Excel and it will open the web-based version of the app. This online version of Excel is completely free and offers almost all the same features as the desktop version. You can create spreadsheets, use formulas like equals 7-2, and as you can see, it works just like the app version, giving you the result instantly. At the top, you can go to File to open an existing Excel file stored on your Mac. You can also choose Share to send it via email or download a copy to save it directly to your computer. From there, you can print it, email it, or continue working on it offline, and that's it. A super easy way to use Microsoft Excel on your Mac for free. If this helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another quick tips or tech hack.